up, everybody? It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and I am here in Wyoming, back at the Vita, and I am going to be testing out my long-range 7-inch flyer. We got some mountains ahead of us, and here with a bunch of the guys, so we're going to be doing some flying.
Of the bigger picture, it makes me shallow. So I'm gonna stay out of the midnight shine against the night sky, fight back and never go hide. I'm gonna stay right on the bright side. Stay out of the midnight shine against the night sky, fight back and never go hide. I'm gonna stay right on the bright side. Stay right on the bright side. I'm gonna stay right on the bright side. Stay out of the midnight shine against the night sky, fight back and never go hide. I'm gonna stay right on the bright side. With one last lie, I'm gonna float and start to try. I don't want to be the shadow of the bigger people that make me shallow. So I'm gonna stay out of the midnight shine against the night sky, fight back and never go hide. I'm gonna stay right on the bright side. Stay out of the midnight shine against the night sky, fight back and never go hide. I'm gonna stay right on the bright side. I'm gonna stay in the bright side. In the bright side.